I'm going to provide you the facts and figures which will help you clarify your mind and decide which MBA college is best for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted, and this is going to be all about the MBA placements 2020 in the new IIMs. All the results of the new IIMs will be coming, and finally you will have a list of MBA converts and you'll now have to decide which new IIM or baby IIM should you join. We'll be talking about the final placements of the 2018-20 batch, that is the latest batch, whichever data is available. Okay, the IIMs like IIM Kashipur, Raipur, Ranchi, Rohtak, Trichy, and Udaipur. Which IIM is best among these on different parameters? We'll get a view on that. We'll talk about the average CTC offered in these IIMs, the batch size, the highest CTC offered, the number of PPOs, that is the pre-placement offers through the summer internships, number of offers, total number of offers, number of recruiters, how many companies visited, the international offers in these IIMs, the mentioned above, and domain-wise ranking, very important. Rank 1 to 6, like which is the best IIM amongst these for sales and marketing, which is the best amongst these for finance, for IT analytics, for operations supply chain, for strategy consulting, for HR, and for general management. All right, guys, so now let's see the most influential factors in deciding whether or not you should join the institute. Is it worth joining? So final placements data is available here. The source of this, first of all, is from the Pagal Guy MBA groups. One of the student has posted this. He has collected all the data from the placement reports of the individual institutes. Whatever they have disclosed the information, everything is provided in this Excel sheet. I will be providing this Excel sheet in my Telegram group. This video crosses 500 likes. I'll be putting this directly on my Telegram channel. If you haven't yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description box. Go and join for all important resources completely updated. Alright guys, so let's see the final placements now. 2018-20. This is from the placement report of IIM Kashipur, Raipur, Ranchi, Rohtak, Trichy and Udaipur. So first of all, let's look at the batch size. So why is batch size important? You all know, higher the greater the batch, difficult is the chances of getting placed in good companies, and that happens. So batch size of IIM Kashipur 258, Raipur 206, Ranchi 186, Rohtak 241, and Trichy 179, Udaipur 256. So Kashipur and Udaipur has amongst the highest batch sizes amongst these IIMs. Next is eligible students, the students who were eligible for final placements. So amongst the 258, only 249 were eligible. No ka pata nahi, they were not eligible. Maybe they did not clear the exam or they opted out. Don't know what. So out of the 206, 191 were eligible at IIM Raipur. At IIM Ranchi, 181 were eligible, 5 were not. 241 में से 236 at IIM Rohtak, 179 में से 173 at IIM Trichy, and in Udaipur 256, among the 256, 246 were eligible, 13 people were unplaced. Okay, so Udaipur has the direct data that these people were unplaced. Okay, chalo ye to bata diya. Now let's look at the number of offers. Number of offers, I am Kashipur 252 offers and others haven't disclosed that data. I am Trichy has 186 offers and I am Udaipur, the data was not shared again. So number of recruiters mane how many organizations visited the campus. They may or may not make the offer. So number of recruiters were 96. Okay, 96 at Kashipur. So IIM Raipur says 150 plus recruiters. This data is a bit vague. This guy has clarified here. This is a bit vague data. Okay, 150 plus recruiters for 206 students. It's a very optimistic scenario. I don't think this data is right as per my opinion. 94 recruiters at IIM Ranchi, 86 at IIM Rohtak, 119 at IIM Trichy, and IIM Udaipur again did not share the data. Now the number of new recruiters. New recruiters means from the past 2 or 3 years they did not come to the campus or they are coming to the campus for the first time. These are the new recruiters. Okay. So the new recruiters are 32 at IIM Kashipur. Okay. 50 at IIM Raipur. Now, again, it is a bit vague. 50 plus new recruiters मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है. I'm not sure if this data is right. 71 at IIM Ranchi, 40 at IIM Rohtak. The number of PPOs now, the offers, full-time offers that you can get through your 2 months of summer internship that you do after your first year of MBA. So that is 22 at IIM Kashipur. Okay. The data is not available for IIM Raipur, Ranchi, Rohtak, Trichy, and 28 number of PPOs from the batch of 256 at IIM Udaipur. So it's a good data on PPOs. So average CTC. Average CTC, let's see. Average में international भी include हो सकता है. The CTC can be hyped a lot. The good measure is the median CTC. We'll also look at that. Let's look at the average CTC first. The average CTC at IIM Kashipur is 13.82 lakhs. IIM Raipur 15.2 lakhs per annum. IIM Ranchi 15.11. Raipur and Ranchi are very close. Rohtak 13.7. Okay, IIM Trichy 14.96 and IIM Udaipur 12.93. So this is a bit strange. IIM Udaipur was amongst the oldest in these IIMs. It is highest in IIM Raipur and IIM Ranchi. So these figures of average CTC. Now let's look at the median CTC. Median CTC is the most accurate measure to understand the placement at an institute because beach ka banda, if you arrange the people in ascending order, the person in the middle of the batch, how much is he earning? That kind of shows a realistic scenario, right? So the median CTC is 12 lakhs at IIM Kashipur, 14.7 at IIM Raipur, 14.8 at IIM Ranchi, 13 at IIM Rohtak, and 12 at IIM Udaipur. See, the median is always lesser than the average when it comes to placements at IIMs. So you can see median CTC is almost 1 lakhs lower than the average CTC at these colleges. Again, here IIM Ranchi is scoring highest amongst the median CTC. So IIM Ranchi is doing well in terms of median CTC amongst these colleges. Now, highest international offer. So, highest international directly converted into Indian rupees. Whatever figure was there in US dollars converted into Indian rupees. 3.92 lakhs at IIM Udaipur. So, highest international, again, highest at IIM Ranchi. Don't be misled by this figure. This is converted into INR. So, 59 lakhs is not a very big amount in US dollars. So, by looking at 59, don't think that this is a very big number. This was converted from US dollars to Indian rupees. So understand that the standard of living purchasing power parity differs a lot. Okay. So let's look at the highest domestic salary. Domestic matlab India में कितना highest salary offer किया है. The highest CTC. So 45 lakhs at IIM Kashipur, which is good. 28 lakhs at IIM Raipur. 22 lakhs at IIM Ranchi. 24 at IIM Rohtak. 25 IIM Trichy and 30 lakhs at IIM Udaipur. Now let's look at the average of the top 10%, top 20, top 50. So again, I don't think this is a very good measure. आप average of top 50% देख सकते हो अगर if you manage to be in the top 50% of the batch you can earn this much average salary. So guys, now we'll talk about the domain wise ranking. Very important. आपका specialization में कौन सा करना चाहते हो? It is very important which college is best for which specialization. You should always go to the college. If you're interested in a certain specialization, you should always go to a college which is best in that. So let's look at the domains and the ranks of these colleges domain wise. So for sales and marketing, IIM Ranchi ranks 1. Finance mein, IIM Raipur ranks 1. IT analytics, IIM Kashipur. Operations, IIM Ranchi. Strategy consulting, IIM Ranchi. HR, IIM Ranchi. General management, IIM Kashipur. So you can see Kashipur and Ranchi doing well in almost all these domains. So Ranchi actually has good sales and marketing placements, good HR placements, good ops placements also. Kashipur is good in IT, general management. So this is rank 1 amongst these specializations. Now you can subsequently see rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 6 dekhte hain. So rank 6 yellow highlighted cells are the ones that statistics are not shared by the college. So that's why they are ranked 5 and 6. So you can look at rank 1 and based on that decide where you want to go. For example, if you want to do sales and marketing, your college preference list should be from rank 1 to 6. Your college preference should be first IIM Ranchi, second IIM Raipur, third IIM Udaipur, fourth IIM Kashipur. That's it. For HR, if you want to do HR amongst these colleges, go for IIM Ranchi first, the first preferred. Next IIM Kashipur. For the red highlighted cells, no students are placed. That means in HR, in IIM Raipur, Udaipur, Trichy, Rohtak, no students were placed in the HR roles. These cells are highlighted red. No students were placed in these colleges in the HR role. So this is your order of preference. So this is how you can access this data to make a wise decision for yourself. So let's look at the average CTC. So for sales and marketing, 12.18 was the average CTC at IIM Kashipur, 14.75 at IIM Raipur, 15 lakhs sales and marketing ka average at IIM Ranchi. All right. These for IIM Rohtak not shared. For IIM Trichy कुछ अलग से data दिया है उन्होंने. For IIM Udaipur, the data is available here. Average CTC for finance people in these colleges at IIM Kashipur 14.42, IIM Raipur 16 lakhs, IIM Ranchi 16 lakhs again. For operation supply chain 13.25, IIM Raipur has actually merged these three branches. So these three branches, IT, operations and strategy were merged by IIM Raipur. So we do not have the individual data. So similarly for HR, 12 lakhs per annum was offered by IIM Kashipur, 14.55 was offered by IIM Ranchi. This is the average package. And now let's look at the highest CTC. The highest CTC offered in these colleges domain wise. In sales and marketing, the highest CTC offered by IIM Kashipur was 48 lakhs. So this might be the international offer, sales and marketing ka. 46 lakhs at IIM Raipur, again an international offer. 59 lakhs at IIM Ranchi, international offer again. IIM Rohtak, Trichy, data not shared. 30 lakhs per annum, highest CTC in sales and marketing at IIM Udaipur. So similarly in finance, you can look at the data, IT analytics, HR by 14.45 highest CTC at IIM Kashipur. 26 lakhs was the highest CTC offered in IIM Ranchi for HR domain. So IIM Ranchi is clearly your choice if you want to do HR. You can go column wise also which IIM is offering the highest CTC in which domain. So these are the highest CTC. You can see Raipur offers the highest CTC in finance. IIM Ranchi offers the highest CTC in HR. You can see HR 26.5 lakhs. I am not counting this international offer. IIM Udaipur offers the highest CTC in sales and marketing. Some of the important points to note. Data of IIM Ranchi's MBA HRM has been used for the average CTC and highest CTC in HR. They have missed to segregate general management roles and haven't disclosed the number of PPOs. So IIM Ranchi ने PPOs नहीं दिए हैं और MBA HRM का डेटा क्लब कर दिया है. तो IIM रायपुर जो आप वायलेट में देख रहे हो, IIM रायपुर ने क्या किया है कि दे हैव मर्ज अनरिलेटेड डोमेन्स इन देयर फाइनल प्लेसमेंट. जैसे ऑपरेशंस आईटी, आप देख सकते हो ऑपरेशंस आईटी, सप्लाई चेन स्ट्रेटेजी, इन्होंने तीनों को कंबाइन करके यहाँ पे बताया कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ द बैच. सो द रिपोर्ट इज क्वाइट वेग एंड लैक्स डेटा. इसमें नंबर ऑफ रिक्रूटर्स न्यू एंड ओल्ड अलग लग रहे हैं, पीपीओज का डेटा कुछ अलग लग रहा है, एंड इट लैक्स ट्रांसपेरेंसी फॉर श्योर. Now, when it comes to IIM Rohtak, the orange ones, so it has surpassed IIM Raipur in terms of hiding their individual numbers. IIM Rohtak is doing the worst in terms of hiding data. They have not received any international offers in the final placements. To note that no international offers at IIM Rohtak. All right. So IIM Trichy, ये this column IIM Trichy का देख सकते हो has hidden the actual average CTC of respective domains. So domain wise CTC is not shared. The highest CTC, this one, right? So which questions the credibility of the shared statistics. So ये statistics कितना सही है, we are not sure. Finally, we come to the key insights and takeaway. Very important to make your decision. And here we go. First of all, please like and share. If you have already liked this video, please share it with others. This will help many people. I know to make their decision. So guys, the insights and final key takeaways. Key takeaways. So first is all institutes have missed showing the number of international offers. किसी ने नहीं बताया. So that actually inflates the average CTC because आप directly international offers को INR में convert करते हो. So आपका average CTC बहुत बढ़ जाता है. That's why average को कभी मत देखना. Look at the median CTC always. Rohtak hasn't received any international offers. ये आपको पहले ही बताया मैंने. So second is in terms of transparency, IIM Kashipur has been in the front row in presenting. So IIM Kashipur is very good in terms of transparency, whereas IIM Trichy has published the most vague report between three of them. बहुत ही vague था IIM Trichy का, and they haven't disclosed the numbers for individual domains also. Point number 3 is IIM Ranchi, Trichy, Rohtak and Raipur haven't disclosed the number of PPOs which show the worst performance in summer placements. So ये PPO का number नहीं है pre placement offers, तो summer placements का report हो सकता है अच्छा नहीं हो. Fourth is IIM Raipur has merged unrelated domains, मैंने पहले ही बोला. Fifth is IIM Kashipur average CTC is the second lowest among four despite having the best number of top quartile. IIM Kashipur का average CTC second lowest है amongst these colleges. This shows better opportunities for above average students as compared to Ranchi and Raipur. तो आपको अच्छा करना पड़ेगा if you want to go to IIM Kashipur. But due to highest batch size among the three, it suffers in the bottom 50%. So if you're in the bottom 50% at IIM Kashipur, आपका placement का load होने वाला है. So point number 6, when it comes to HR, IIM Udaipur, Raipur, Rohtak, Trichy are absolute graveyard. मतलब zero roles offered है. HR करना है तो रांची में ही जाओ भैया, नहीं तो मत करो बिल्कुल. Point number 7 for consulting, IIM Kashipur seems to be graveyard as it lacks number of opportunities. कुछ भी नहीं है, 4% roles है consulting के IIM Kashipur में. So also provides the least average CTC. Point number 8, IIM Ranchi is an absolute beast when it comes to sales and marketing. आपको सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग करना है तो IIM Ranchi, आपको HR करना है तो IIM Ranchi is your choice. बहुत सारे न्यू रिक्रूटर्स हैं, ओल्ड रिक्रूटर्स वापस आ नहीं रहे हैं, so that's why it may be losing its aura. So final key takeaways 10 से लेके 18. Point number 10, IIM Rohtak has hidden the individual averages and highest CTC for respective domains. Thus, there is a huge lack of transparency in the report. IIM Rohtak का transparency कम है. So 11 point, IIM Trichy has published the most vague report which blatantly hides all the important figures like number of PPOs. कुछ नहीं दिखाया है IIM Trichy ने. Number of PPOs नहीं है, median CTC नहीं है, average CTC वो भी आपको top 10% ऐसे ऐसे करके बताया. Average CTC of respective domains नहीं है, highest CTC नहीं है. So IIM Trichy is doing the worst kind of thing when it comes to publishing vague report and no transparency. So for finance, IIM Trichy is absolute beast. अगर finance करना है तो IIM Trichy में जाओ with better companies. For IT and analytics roles, IIM Kashipur is clear champion. IT and analytics करना है तो IIM Kashipur में जाओ amongst the new IIMs. ठीक है, 31% roles इसी में होते हैं. For HR, IIM Ranchi is the sole lifesaver. Okay, MBA and HRM कर लो, better opportunities है than any other IIMs. And IIM Kashipur second आता है उसमें HR करना है तो. 15 point like IIM Rohtak, IIM Trichy didn't receive any international offers in this academic year 2018-20. इस साल की बात हो रही है. No international offers at Rohtak and Trichy. Point number 16, like IIM Raipur, IIM Trichy has merged unrelated domains like consulting, IT analytics to hide the actual numbers in these domains. तो actual numbers नहीं दिखाए तो क्योंकि merge कर देते हैं फिर these are some of the tricks played. Point number 17, IIM Udaipur has published the most thorough report showing transparency for all students. So IIM Udaipur, kudos to you. You have shown the right report, the published the most thorough, मतलब अच्छे से complete दिखा है. Point number 18, IIM Udaipur were unable to place 13 of their students, which is a huge concern for everyone in the community. 13 लोग, 13 लोग unplaced हो गए in the batch of 2018 से 20. So आप LinkedIn पे देख सकते हो, they are asking for job offers right now. I hope you take decisions wisely based on data. अगर organizations are taking their business decisions through data analytics, why not students can also take the same decisions for their MBA life through data analysis? Right? Video reaches 500 likes. I'll upload this Excel sheet in my Telegram channel after 500 likes on this video. So please share. Bye bye guys. Take care. All sorted. See you in the next video.